Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. The chart hasn't really changed much today, so the price is still in this ascending price channel that you see on the chart. And you can also see the white wave count, which is currently the preferred scenario. So a pretty direct move up, as already said in the last few days. The idea is that Ether is motivated, at least it seems like that, to take the more direct route in the white count towards the $4,000 mark. Nothing currently changing that perspective, okay? That direct pathway has become more likely when Ether crossed above $3,100. That was a very important level, very important mark on the larger time frame wave count. And now it seems likely that we had a 5-wave move up here in the white count, which topped around the 20th of February. Then a very, very shallow wave 2. That's what I have to assume in this wave count, in this more direct pathway to the upside, that it was a very shallow wave 2, very unusual, okay, very unusual. I don't likely make those assumptions, but the break above 3,100 made that more likely. It doesn't guarantee this white wave count, but it made it more likely, yeah, because there are some levels where we just need to see, or that indicate when broken, that a more direct pathway is unfolding without any deep pullbacks. Of course, there are pullbacks along the way, but they are shallow then. So in this case, a third wave would then unfold more directly into the $4,000 region, a little higher than that. I mean, 4,200, 4,400 maybe, then a 4 and a 5. This would be the preferred outcome at the moment, based on what I see on the chart right now. When would that change? Well, it would change if the price breaks below 2,958. If we get a sustained break below that level, it's a little bit too deep for this wave 2. Basically, the idea is we have a 1-2, 1-2 setup here. This wave 1 doesn't need to show, or this wave 2 doesn't need to show. It's just support, okay? It's just support, guys. It is not a prediction. The idea is the trend is up against the support area. And I also cannot tell you yet that wave 2 has started. So we might not see it at all. Again, also here, if we see a break above certain levels, this wave 2 is likely not going to show. At some point it might show, it should really, again it should, but it could be shallow. That's what I said. We should take a more direct pathway higher, and the relevant, let's say, level below which probabilities change again to a deeper pullback, and the yellow count, which is structurally a little bit different because the yellow count would still assume a deeper wave 2 pullback. Well, that level is 2,958. Should be simple enough. That's the line in the sand which divides the white count and the yellow count, where we can decide between the yellow and white and which one is in control. So still focusing on higher, no sign of a wave 2 pullback, not in the shallow wave 2 scenario, and also not in the deep wave 2. And to be honest, white wave 1 should ideally still stretch a little higher, because also white wave 1 should be a 5-wave move. I don't really see 5 waves yet. Yeah, a few more squiggles higher would be good. And yeah, that's my assumption at the moment about Ether. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.